So you go from that to that here.
Because I'm just...
And now you start hitting me here. Oh, just redirect it.
Okay.
Yeah. From that, if you're hitting with this one, I go here. So I'm in this position. I go to here. And then from here, I make a teeny step. But I keep it in front of me.
Okay.
I don't want to be like here.
Okay.
That's not good. I want to, and it's almost like my quansel goes that direction. Yeah. I make a small step, shorter step. Yeah. Okay. On the last section, on that last sequence, make it very distinct with your rotation of your body. 1, 2, 3. So I have the manso or tanso. I reach back behind the neck while I do a lapso or at least grip. The elbow stays on the inside as I reach back. I shift it. I'm pulling and drawing. I sink my body weight. This pulls that way. Okay? Bongso. That bongso is kind of a flop. From there we have that side and diagonal step forward. As I do that, I don't want you to muscle this here with the shoulder and then get like here or get too far like that, okay? So when I go from here, stay with the arm distance, same thing, and I just step in while I hit. Okay, so I'm going from that. I'm checking the bottom leg as I do that. Okay? For some of you that might not work with arms longer and legs longer, etc. This dummy is shorter. Might not work well for some of you, but that's kind of where you're aiming to be, okay? Give the dummy a push with that forearm. Don't muscle it. Elbow forward. Okay, it will move. Then, double gunso. Then, kwanso. Low bongso, high tanso. This one is shifting. This one is stepping. And then stepping once more to the side, doing the same thing as before. That's the end of that section. After that is a closing section, which is double gunso, kauso with the gunso, and then jut with palm strike forward. Remember that ending sequence? That's what we're doing at the end of that. When you switch sides, I'm gonna have you on the other side doing the same thing. If you already know that, making sure that as you're turning, again, you're moving dummy. Dummy doesn't move you right now because it at least swivels. If the dummy is bound to wall and it doesn't move, obviously you're gonna have to move differently slightly. But at this point, because you can move dummy sideways, do. Make sense? Questions?
Yes.
Okay.
That floppy bong, that looks a lot different than my floppy bong. Could you go to that floppy bong?
Uh-huh.
Are you pivoting and leaning back on it? Yes, okay. You're just pivoting. Okay. All right. Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Because I'm just...
And now you start hitting me here. Oh, just redirect it.
Okay.
Yeah. From that, if you're hitting with this one, I go here. Okay. So you go from that to that here. Up.
Yep.
And you go
Okay.
Left side. Lock.
Thank you.
Yeah. You put your right hand forward.
Yeah.
That's the start, and then left hand moves first. Yes. Yeah. Left hand moves first. Then you reach back and you pull. Yep. First pivot. That bongso goes to this arm, and it's
This arm?
Yep. So go back again. Go back to here.
Okay.
So you did that. So that one goes to wuso. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And then
Yep. Yeah, that's a step, and it's inside here.
inside.
And the back foot steps with you. So it's, remember, the step is like this. So as you go side, forward, step in. So your hand is at bongso and you shift it. You step. That's it. Yeah, that hand hits the head, yep, or shoulder. And that hand, remember what I was saying? Don't let the arm trap you. Press it.
Okay.
Yeah, but not with your shoulder, with your elbow press. Yes. Yes. Then kwanseo.
Go this way, right?
So as you go from this, now you're gonna go.
Okay, so it's here.
Yes. Then you go around the other way. That second movement is done with this step. And then you go around that way. There you go. Yeah, push it. There you go. And now step this way, double ganseo. Yep. And now go kwanseo and ending sequence. And then forward. Just end here. And then you go straight up. Yep. That's a jut. That's a strike. Yeah, not a lup, jut. Yep. Okay.
It's all about footwork, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot about footwork. And even when you're doing like this first step, even this, that could be a sweep.
Yes.
That could be a sweep just like that.
Floppy ball, come
Yep.
around. Okay. Now it's just okay. Yeah, okay. Yes.
Step in a little bit.
I'm not used to it.
Step in a little bit. I know.
Okay.
That's why I
Used to
wanted
this
to
movement,
try it.
this is
Yeah.
nice. Okay. Now I just pivot. Okay. Now I step. And this is behind me, isn't it? It's a little behind.
So right. So you make a smaller step, so it's not behind you.
Oh.
Yeah. So what I do, for instance, is if I'm here,
I wanted it behind you. Okay.
so I'm in this position, I go to here,
Pivot, yep.
and then from here I make a teeny step, but I keep it in front of me.
Okay.
I don't want to be like here.
Okay.
That's not good. I wanna, and it's almost like my kwanseo goes that direction. Yeah. I make a small step, shorter step.
Okay, that's the first time across. Now as you come back,
Yep.
finish. Same things. Okay. Now it's a full step that time because you're squaring up, aren't you? Yeah, here. Okay, pivoted. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Right hand forward. Yeah. But let the back foot move too with you next time. Yeah. Better. Back foot moves with you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. On the last section, on that last sequence, make it very distinct with your rotation of your body. So if you go back to on the last part here, that was 1, 2,
Oh. Oh, yes. I
3.
squared up, didn't I?
You weren't completely turned. You didn't square up, but you weren't completely turned either. There you go. And then forward.
Oh, that feels good.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, and then as you go forward on the last one, so go to this one again. And yeah, there you go. So in this one, drop your elbow before you hit forward.
Okay, yes.
And then hit forward from there. So you go, watch. You go. In,
Oh.
down, forward.
Yay.
And drop the elbow and go forward. Yes.
Straight.
Yes, that's the quickest. Okay, so we have this part. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Yeah. Cool. We'll do left side as well. And forward. That's it. Okay.